Me pacho mame deck stock no na me nka hwasem enu nie Ghana sesi a oman ni nyina eka edaye so ye public debt 658.6 billion Ghana cedi o de call old cities a eye opepepe pintetetre untimi modin because across the threshold of trillions. Maybe we are now say economists never boya. We are now within the realm of quadrillions. What I say? Na enunye mame document be me document page 16 of the financial report, annual financial report by Ken Oforiatta or delivered on 23rd March 2018 to Parliament. Joe krata bi no fato so mame wadahorma. No mo hwe sa report no be chiro ye public debt stock by the time ana MPP aban eba aban mu you see yenta obi a o krom ha wuchiri no kora untimi ntie yen eno a obi send message say sansi subiem ai wuchiri no kora untimi ntie yen the other stations are obetimi atie omo omo mpe no kora obetimi atie no ehọ na obete de opesa wote be ehade me amete anya me nkwa me ho na me dwene in fact me dwene me ba na ma wo no ho me hwese so china ekoba se me ba no to my Ghana mu a ne tibia pa etesen nti you take matters very serious with facts and figures Joe Mr. Obomodi afasa document na me necessary na me nchiro se de ne dog stock no etie tama MPP aban eba aban mu na ye mfa compare se de etie sisi a na afe yemu akontan hwe se de aban promise ye na aya ya na ye ka mibisaw ujiri se MPP NDC ebeboa ya na so wabua bi what I say and na da ho no we page 16 of the annual financial annual report by Ken Oforiatta or delivered to Parliament on 23rd March 2018 be check page 16 no section 4 gross public debt me sisi waso unya time document we at the internet so kwa obenya kankan
mami reading na
subject matter of public
gross public debt Ghana's gross public debt stock in nominal terms was provisionally 142.6 billion Ghana cedis.
That is at the end of 2017. Good.
Equivalent to 32.3 billion US dollars.
Okay.
At the end of 2017.
Okay.
Up from the 2016 figure of 122.3 billion cedis.
It means that Mahama every akonya so no na ye deka 122.3 billion. Ten here, we are serious here. This is how Mahama and Mahama ekawe no aye from Kwame Nkrumah penso. Inti wono no the osho mu the odeka ho inti Mahama sorry so no. Inti 122.3 billion nya Mahama nkwa na boss aka no. The same way na 600 na da ho na nya Akufo-Addo nkwa bet ye cho ba bi Akufo-Addo be fa free ye. Akufo-Addo be fa aka ni nyina free 122.3 billion Ghana cedis.
And we nya ne ka Ken Oforiatta
documenter
the longest serving finance minister
under the Fourth Republic. Opemsuo.
Which is 122.3 billion, 29.2 billion US dollars. Okay. As indicated in the table below, that is
table
4.1. That's the gross public debt development between
good.
2014 to 20.
Into Osha, your external debt, external debt, 2014 the ho. Domestic debt 2014 the ho. Into Osha external debt 2014 530
yes
billion. And domestic year 30 into Ukabo 79 points. One who said
79 times 572.2.
Okay, that is for 2014. 2015, and a page animu
a core 100,234.9.
And at 2016 ending
122,263.
That is billion. Okay, very good. Inti all my report at the end of 2017 no. Abra omo fan 122.2 no. And omo they call 142.556
within a year.
Inti say na net me sent ya me kofa document we buy you know from the research decks me pesa wo hunu de net here before I buy we eba buy mu afi fire call ye total debt debt stock no the aba na ye cha enu nie inti from 122.2 billion no say say ye wo 658.6 billion into one kasa tifrim na hunu for 7 years running to 8 years dodo ababe ka ho na no na per Ghana population ye cha approximately obia deka
19,671
what the yan running here approximately 19,700 saka coins kakra bi
one cedi no
aka coins kakra bi na duru what they saying 19,700 inti Ghana ni ba bia obi kai o say wa wo hye yefunu mpura wo ka ho what they ka 19,700 Ghana cedi na no na me ko kai a unim de Desmond ka che mo nisuru mo no on de otoye de en ede ade no no wata into ono wode sa aka no
and this yana people no tomorrow
Desmond won to hwe na mum what they ka no for the fact say we Ghana ni
wona nanom na ebone
say wa koye passport nti wona nanom ba ade abaka kaka na wo twere wo sen nti de ete no what they ka nti this is it and eka we
sia na ye kwaje ase de be kwan
ye de be we be ne exercise sign contract
$46 million
exercise sign contract enhu hia no
eti gata mu no
eno ne na when mu nyina no it's also part of say ye sidi ni ahoden nti da bia ye ka ni nyini fa de ye sidi ni ahoden etie against the major currency no eno ne enne awie ya ye ba studio and to ye started program no na ye copy figures we and I'm telling you this is the original source from Abochi Opemsuo the whole internet so forget it because oba unya bin tosa oh USD no ukutabia sale no de akire ni o ukutabi na ukosesa fortunately obenya no 15 cedis 60 pesos ti ukuta $1 bia de obenya ni ti ukuta $100 that is 1,560 ubenya ena ukuta cedis na ukope bia tonso a ubehia ne 16 cedis euro ukuta bi na ukosesa ubenya ne 16 cedis into ukuta €100 ubenya 1,006 awie ya wo de wo tie mi na wo bi na nya fabra me amesesa ma saa so na ukoton so a 1650 ukuta pound sterling £100 say see ubenya 1,009 almost 2,000 Ghana cedi ukoto pound sterling say say uko UK wanya ni cheap kura 19.50 and this is what is going on na inside some penifo na yetu omoka omoboa me ebonka eka kese to yetri so be ye adwuma no tie de auditor so no what say minister for finance tie de oka na meyura hoa
we should not rush
na we yan credit the Chronicle newspaper say minister kasa wie no na omo no epike ye so the source no na ka kire no or say please stop rushing to buy dollar with the greatest of respect. Dr. Mohamed Amin already no me matobi me sakotobi aka ho what was kabia tobi I'm telling you your business are good what was kabia kotobi now enya una be to me for some stop rushing to buy it I'll buy it with the greatest of respect. Mohamed Amin me kotobi matobi dada me tobi aka ho me de to because I know say wuntimi nya ho hwe ebeko soro me didi wom anya mo nko na esa mo de dollar ehye mo dem e de hye mo mpadua ase e de hye mo politank ase what I say dollar no enya musika e America fo sika samo run economy ni ye na dollar ni bedi ye wa Ghana metobi de asie me wa wutie me no me se wo sika so wo do sika e be kwa kwa treasury be kofa takoto dollar to yes go and buy dollar later me ma 2-3 weeks e so baba mfa so ama opa from a foot when a free consultation menye ohwe metobi muni mwadwuma ma me de na amato no nyameka tie de Bank of Ghana governance oka for no so economic agent should stop engaging in speculative purchases. I will engage in it. What's it as they will suffer economic losses when we stabilize. Let me suffer.
Stabilize the
city. We pay you for nothing.
Stabilize the city.
We pay you for nothing. Where yaka? What they want strategy out the stabilize there. Where we can stabilize the man more kama Toby, Mr. Kotobi Guo. Stabilize the man more
tona won peno. Stabilize the city. No mumbo.
What ya? Container ya different brochure this scrap agumu abano. What the air in Framana agumu na deko.
Opemsuo.
And what? Me go do fear na me analysis be. And I me kai say while I was away, avocado me prepare pa. Avocado. Me kai say a call more. The twin be da ho nhyɛ da nya kama kra nya akono. Na ofa mienu na we a ubehuna ne nam $6, $8. Make up pe. Na me hwɛ sɛ pe na esi me fie no. Enu a me fo. Me te rubber akɛse miɛnsa. Ne danu ho. Kwantwi wo kyena me promise o mebro bi. Kwantwi atiefo maka o kyena me ba ma atiefo hu sɛ me di me bɔhye so. Commander ope bi ana. Pe edepa
I don't know buy na dollars on do ankan say
oh commander opepe ni bi
me ni page
unni page amate kwantwi nyame adoma ochina obeba ho
oh no kra no de obeji kra
o de sa o ma ochina kra na obeba ochina chi amede pen be hia ana me bisa me ho say this is it ha we kra de me ndo pe afu de simi fie mitimi te rubber miensa na mantem ho me che no iti youth ni nya adwuma nya no sa momu wo bibi ya pekeke si ase ya de pe ye business na ya export pair. Do you know how much you could get earn from it?
Don't you know say pair no it reaching am film.
Possible.
No.
And almond seed. Abrofon katie. Sa almond seed abrofon katie. Bro. What is that me to be free ho by park mu kakra bi na na gumu satie nie. $25. Na bisa mo say na ye tifie no me kai Western region. Ye fie abrofon katie be miensa na si ho. Ye ti gu from prugu from ne abo papa ya wia na ebia se guo. Na sade ne eyedwa eyesika Indian for dey call America, omo dey call Canada, sika. Mo te na mo da stop speculating. Mo bombom mu ni hweye. With all due respect.
With all due respect.
Now obey na dollar. Who container ba wo dem frama na gumu ko. Now to one as well. Wa unni adwuma bia ye no wo cedi akoto dollar to ho.
No dey kwa konya cedi.
Koto dollar to ho.
Me so dey konya cedi.
Onya dey kwa konya cedi. Wo bia a good business. To be to maka to me matobi. Samuso montiase a ye beto. Mo wo bibi ya mon stop it. Mun jai sa media tantrum no. And I stop buying it. Please stop buying it. And when we stabilize it, you run at a loss. Mufiti kai you know. Ya na na ya santua penso. Mutimi stabilize who te. Above audio no say enunti and I'm kofa Dr. Mahmudu repeat mame.
The worst one is the economic management team.
Mama menfro. Ai menfro. My main more economic management na
mpesi di. Economic but bom catch so enunti no kofa Mahmudu sidi na hata enunti. Ni enwe say sidi mo don concrete di aguma. Ejo da bia mo ka mo nya de no. The right channel na some of us here no nya no hia mo bosia na mo
Honorable for the year.
The city has appreciated in value. When we came in, it was running. Essentially, we have arrested it. And the IGP has the keys. He's locked it up. We've arrested it.
Hata I want in the enemy. I don't see one day deep down the young faso. When you see that say maybe Muswa, Unya faso. Because Sikano, the Munyetu. The Ronia Jumaka say about the Babet says near the Syria and more two. The one in deep down, Unya faso. What if I said Unya faso? Ekaobi tina me kofa abawumia so be kame ho ye hihye ye sika sam no eyie na sika no emunye dubio na no ne adwuma kese aye ba be ye the Bible says no ne di ye Syria emu odu na wani di twa no we nya ho fa so o de be se dwuma mo fa we nya ho fa Ekahubi China Mekofa Baumia, some come home. Yes, she say you sick as some no, AEMS Kano, the Munye to Bio Ekahubi China Mekofa Baumia, some come home. Yes, she say you sick as some no, AEMS Kano, the Munye to Bio. Let's be the Kumani.
You're live on 104.7.
Enti Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Kwano Santia Nanado Danko Akufado running mate. And the Sababuano no nhihye sidi no.
So you say Sabre na one people for be so regina say Baumia nye ye nim no. What you say hanu no. Now was sign I can the sidi ntia wakofa na ba. He sending message to MPP and Ghanaians.
Enti George, one men that nobody had that men no. And Tina Kufar Kofabo, me free outside, so one
men be any baby. And I know Mashe. Sandy Panasa can hold a catch them and say, Papa,
economic management team Lafika.
Me a mate. It's a fed the main tax reason here, the brown and a free 4 cities. And then 15.6 about 16.
Where the Nanado can you?
What's it? I need to look far by.
See the Nana Hata
and not production here. And one say you could jump and the chair say, I sit why ding. Economy no nye. Nanado, as some can was saying, or see now who are then a yamrena, there be a hatano into a year before you did that. Yam for sure, you better cause boka. Inti enunti ena wakofa Mahmoud Baumia ba so meye masidi ni mu enyina omodwuma kase pa no enu ne o adwuma kase ne na you know the reason why omo nyina omo trade in dollars abamu penifo nyina properties omo wo say ye hotel say ye de be okwa dollars ne charge nipa na so obebua masidi na nya ahoden no wono waje America fo sika no woton no wi a wono na be trete me. Say I'll lose my day, but $100 na go de bia. What would me to be? It's good. We share me a how it works. Way a yanumja a yankwanchen de 2 no more yano. Omo bibi ya 8 years money away a queen come ye. They couldn't do anything and they cannot do anything because only interest to do it. They themselves they are trading in dollars. Oh, now me a sanitation minister fear they na kwasa sai. Aye foreign currencies. And I'm not so Betem. That is what I know. You're just 1 minute.
Whether NDC
or MPP, that is what they do. Sir, okay, sir. Running up to 2016 election, vice presidential or running mates debates. The late Pakwasi Emisata, Echo can the same to say speculative purchases in the man at the end of Costro. I'm about me at the Sereno. Say a physical policy ness or what she say. But me, it is your time. Fiscal policy ben way. Physical policy. A your tax sanka say the share one sa. What's three when uncle say a physical policy ness or ye. Now or stabilize the economy no. Emma Numa ba. Ne produce Numa waha. O church come that day I was clapping for him. I say yes, this man understand the job. And
George me ba.
And
Baumia is not the first person. Why deputy governor obedi vice president. Emisata was a governor, not a deputy governor.
He was a full governor.
But do you know the name that even Baumia called the Emisata?
Yes, what is he? No,
Emisata was incompetent.
Goofer. Now, a childish in the professional settings. You don't do that. What is a brony be generative so like I say your comedy way. The incompetent one want to come and do more damage. Why? A president, a vice presidential candidate, a former deputy governor, a Misata, so gentleman. Nyamin for the currency.
But be it as it may, or no, I am competent and now we are fair drum no dollar no, abusuya de anamnie. Who took $1 per dollar say ya, or you are catch us speculative or boy, or one can say your business. I am one say ye benyabi. Na match no me who secret no. Into dollar net de ha and maybe I make way me car bo me tri so. I no be che me trans no chem say ade no lacuna woman ni secret di. E free safe no 2021 eba no. Dollar dwane ye na ye di. Ye ma mo nko mu ni. Into wa wutie me kopa bito omo boa omunya ho hwe omunya economy ya the container fra broche ba onya container wa ha obi di no ma gumfo so aba now what's some from the gum de akọ you want your economy to be resilient mamenya esa a final submission and example when I'm fanto hwe me experience in Canada 2010 Adjei American dollar na dollar tie kwa ya sesa kuta ye koduru ya na yese ye kosesa o de $100 kwa na nkrofo na ma Canadian dollar 80 na say na de na me ba me krom na sika no o kwa egugu form ye kura ye mpenke be sesa bebre o si we ni problem ni krom ho no we ni American dollar ti se me pese me di American dollar I was then in BC Vancouver no o kire me kwan no say me fa roadway so a e cotton in less than 2 hours 1 hour 30 minutes I'll be in Seattle. That is United States of America. Me dollar na wo me hono me nko spend it owie unim de okatwa ato when you are done you can come back. You are always welcome to Canada.
Seattle British Columbia
Eben yeah nti wo kire me kwan no say exchange na wo ye no me wo problem because me say me ntia say all ma me lesser Canadian dollar wa bra me say American dollar no a giant currency in the world.
Canada.
Catch them pay say.
Gov't.
Baby amigina no enya America. Canada. Nti some person spend there. Menko America. Me spend there I'm always welcome back. Nti aha Ghana ye di cities. Ba mo penifo na mo be hama city na nya ahode na ye didi dwa no. Ye mu ayedu no. Mo say mo mpe no. Mo ba mo de America $4 no na ehhehye mo mpaase eno na mo didi dwa mo properties nyina mo hostels aye ko school mo quote in dollars eno na mo ye mo wi aka kire say speculative masa e ma ne na ada akotobi.
Thank you George country